Good day, sir. I'm Von Carl A. Pacres, and I will be presenting Nature's Numbers, Chapter 7, The Rhythm of Life by Ian Stewart. In Chapter 7, The Rhythm of Life, the author explores the rhythmic nature of biological systems, particularly focusing on animal locomotions and synchronized behaviors in populations. The chapter delves into the idea that nature's rhythms are often governed by oscillators, systems that repeat the same cycle or behavior, and that these oscillators can be coupled to create complex patterns. The concept of gaits, the default motion patterns of animals. Limbs is discussed, tracing the study of animal movement back to Edward Muybridge's photographic work, which helps reveal the different phases of animal gaits. The chapter then transitioned to the mathematical theory behind these rhythms, particularly the role of central pattern generations, CPGs, in controlling animal movements. The CPGs are neural circuits that create rhythmic signals that control animals' movements, and different gaits arise from different oscillators configurations. The chapter also discusses the phenomenon of synchronized flashing in fireflies, explaining how populations of fireflies synchronize their flashing through interactions between oscillators. The synchronization is modeled mathematically through coupled oscillators that influence each other. A key mathematical concept is Hopf bifurcation, which explains how systems can transition from steady states to periodic oscillations. These periodic patterns represent symmetry breaking in time, as the system moves from a steady state to a rhythmic oscillating one. Ultimately, the chapter emphasizes that nature's rhythms and patterns can be understood and classified through symmetry breaking and oscillator theory. This unifying mathematical framework reveals the underlying simplicity of what might initially seem like complex biological behavior. Key learning insight. The central insight of this chapter is that many complex biological behaviors, whether in individual animals or in whole populations, arise from simple oscillatory systems through coupled oscillators and symmetry breaking. Nature creates rhythms that drive locomotion like walking, running, or galloping, and synchronization like flashing or of fireflies. These principles of oscillation and symmetry not only explains the patterns in biological systems but also reveal how mathematics can help us understand the seemingly chaotic rhythms of life. From the motion of individual limbs to the synchronized behavior of entire populations. This insight demonstrates the powerful role of mathematical framework in uncovering the hidden structures of natural phenomena. Thank you.